Good evening, MSD bowlers. Let's congratulate our Team Norman for being the winner for this first game. And let's congratulate to Mr. Norman Ginoo. Sir Norman Ginoo, congratulations for being the team best bowler for our first game. Our question is, anong naging motivation mo and sino naging inspiration mo para maging our best bowlers for tonight?
Sa akin, inspirasyon ko yung pamilya ko, yung mga nanood, kaibigan ko dito. Saka sa mga kampi ko na sumusuporta. Yun lang. Saka yun lang. Siguro
Okay.
lang.
Thank you to his family for being there, for being his inspiration and motivation for tonight's game. Congratulations again, Sir Norman.
Thank you.
Let's move forward for our 3-point shootout for tonight. Back to you, MSD.